Mail flow refers to the routing and delivery of email messages. Exchange manages this through its transport pipeline. Transport rules block or allow emails based on sender-recipient, content, or attachment type, encrypting emails automatically when certain conditions are met. Ensure emails meet regulatory standards and prevent phishing and spam using tools like Exchange Online Protection, EOP. Implement SPF, DKIM, and DMARC to authenticate email senders and protect against spoofing. Regularly review transport rules. Data loss prevention, DLP, detects and blocks sensitive information, while e-discovery allows search and retrieval of emails across mailboxes. Organizations must ensure that email communications remain secure and compliant with regulations like GDPR and HIPAA. Centralize compliance management using Microsoft Purview Compliance Center for unified policy enforcement across services. A hybrid Exchange setup connects on-premises Exchange with Exchange Online, allowing gradual migration to the cloud. Benefits include flexibility, a unified experience, and mail flow continuity during migrations. Use the Hybrid Configuration Wizard, HCW, to set up secure mail routing and shared directory synchronization. Microsoft Exchange Server and Exchange Online provide a powerful foundation for modern messaging and collaboration.